Are you a professional or a beginner in Forex trading? Have you been complaining lately about losing money in trading? Have you ever wondered how some people still make money in the same Forex market? Well, I guess you just don't know how they do it. Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel, your favorite financial channel where matters relating to finances and businesses are being ironed out. To be a successful trader, you must be able to keep up with currency market movements, global economics, and use historical knowledge and data to determine when the optimum time to enter and exit a trade will be. The secret of most Forex traders is a use of Forex robots. That's a shocking one, right? Although this system also behaves like a human, the difference is just that bots are doing the analysis. The Forex robot performs both trading analysis and trade placement automatically. The software is built by specific broker platforms with conditional trading decisions coded by software developers. While some traders are comfortable allowing software to conduct their deals, others like to maintain control over their trading and be able to double-check their trades before they are done. So if you are a beginner who is not too good at Forex market analysis, it is very much advisable to get a Forex bot for yourself to prevent burning your money on trading. Some of the greatest robots work with trade settings that can be as simple or sophisticated as needed. They take complete management of the trade process, allowing for passive revenue from trading 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. This means Forex robots can trade day and night. Forex robots do not require substantial trading expertise or experience. Most are ready to use right after installation and include everything from the basic trading capability to completely programmable settings, allowing even the most experienced trader to benefit from the automation. There are lots of Forex robots out there, but not all of them are reliable, and you will find a large number of them that do not even function properly, so this is to say you should avoid them? No. So therefore in this video, we will be looking at the top 10 best Forex robots in 2022. Learn to trade. You can use this company in 2022 because they emphasize client satisfaction and accept acceptable risk management techniques. If traders believe their automated method did not help them generate money, the company offers a 30-day and 100% money-back guarantee. This is why the review given to this company by its member is so high. The team report given by the member is placed at a 92% success rate. The price is based on the length of the subscription, and there is also a lifetime option. Learn to Trade offers limited free Forex signals for beginners. Trust me, not all Forex companies can do that. No wonder it is ranked the first on the watch list. GPS Forex Robot. This robot makes use of cutting-edge technologies and algorithms. It features 12 configurable trading styles and methods that constantly monitor the market in the background, allowing you to choose the one that best meets your needs. GPS Forex Robot is easy to use right out of the box. It is regularly updated and set to get automatic updates anytime the code needs to be altered, allowing you to take advantage of new advances right away. This Forex bot offers a minimum deposit of $100 and verified gains of 300%. Now that is huge. 1000 PIP Climber System. This Forex system combines an extremely powerful trading algorithm with an extremely user-friendly interface. The advertised performance is really amazing, but what really sets this robot apart is that my FX book has independently confirmed it. This adds another layer of assurance to the algorithm's quality. Unlike many other robots, all intricacy is contained within the robot, and there are essentially no user-adjustable options. The user interface has been maintained plain and basic so that even novices can use it. This robot could be an excellent choice for traders looking for a high-performing, easy-to-use robot. It has no minimum deposit amount, and the creator of this bot system claims that the bot has targeted 20,000 PIPs over 3 years. Coin Rule. Coin Rule is a wonderful choice for both beginners and experienced traders because of its simple, straightforward design. The most profound thing about this robot is set to its trading rules. Users do not need to know any code. This is an advantage for those who do not know about coding. Coin Rule is also a web-based wallet that supports a variety of cryptocurrencies, as well as several of the most popular exchanges like BitMEX and Coinbase Pro. Talking about the fee incurred in using this robot, the exciting part of it is that it is for free with a starting account or $29.99 per month. Forex Gump.
Hello, my name's Forex Gump.
Forex Gump is also a robot that runs on 9 currency pairs, and not only does it run on them, but it also monitors the trends, price, and even the news attached to each currency pair. So you can choose between high, medium, or low risk trading, which will affect the trade outcome. Wow, so helpful. So that means with this robot, you can control the risk level attached to the trade. This robot includes comprehensive instructions and support and a money-back guarantee. The minimum deposit amount is $4,000 on a regular account and $400 on a nano account, and it offers a report gains of over 1,000%. Forex VPS. This is a company that provides trading-specific services. A virtual private server is always on and never goes down, making it ideal for individuals using expert advisors on platforms like MetaTrader 4 or 5. An EA must be active to function correctly, therefore if the internet connection fails or the terminal goes offline, you may lose your opportunity or money. So you must keep your internet network efficient and running. You can obtain the mid-level bundle for free if you go through your broker, but how is this possible? You have to make a minimum deposit and trade the required amount each month, and your virtual private server will be accessible. Centobot. Centobot is a robot that can trade both Forex and cryptocurrency. It deals with these two. Imagine having a robot that can trade both the Forex and the cryptocurrency. Then you don't need to stress yourself analyzing the market or be worried about your trade. This robot is just so easy and good. There is another profound thing about this bot. You can also use it as a platform to create your own robot based on your own personal setting. The minimum deposit is $250, and with this, you are sure of having a reported gain of 297%. Forex Trendy. This expert advisor is a computerized analytical technique that assists customers in avoiding the trading volatile market condition. It only serves as a guide that describes the best time to place a trade to avoid losing money to the Forex space. So being a guide will not place the trade for you. The amazing part of this is that this advisor can look at charts for 34 different Forex pairings from minutes to months, and it is browser-based and you don't need to download any software, talk less of installing any software. The minimum deposit on Forex Trendy is $250, and it offers 90% accuracy if the trades are made as directed, so the chance of losing is very slim. EA Builder. The EA Builders allows any trader to construct their own indicator and strategies without any programming skills. It offers a simpler interface with rules and algorithms that will enable you to trade anything with several attributes in just a few clicks. This is a web-based tool that does not allow any installation or download of software, as it works with MetaTrader 4 and 5 and TradeStation. The minimum deposit of this tool depends on the platform used, and the gain rate depends on the strategy used. Forex Diamond. Forex Diamond is a self-updating algorithm that combines 3 distinct trading techniques to provide a profitable 40+ recovery ratio. This is also good. This EA offers a real-time calculation that helps traders be more successful by allowing them to perform trend retrace, counter-trend, or counter-trade scalping alone or in combination. The minimum deposit for this EA is $1,000, and the win rate is based according to the result between 70 to 80% depending on the currency pairs used in the trade. Now that we have known the 10 best Forex robots, the big question is, which one of these would you prefer to get in 2022? Feel free to drop your answers and opinions in the comment box below. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, we are sure you would like to watch another video more related from our channel.